AI is changing everything. But did you know you can use AI to create a passive income stream and make up to $10,000 per month without any prior experience? In this video, I'll show you 5 AI-powered side hustles that can help you achieve financial freedom. Stay till the end because I'll also share free AI tools to get started today. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, I'm Celine and welcome to Celine Automates. Here we explore AI business, side hustles, and automation to help you work smarter, not harder. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. All right, let's get into the 5 AI side hustles that can make you $10,000 per month. First up, we have AI-generated YouTube automation. You don't even need to show your face or record your voice. AI tools can do the heavy lifting for you. How it works. Use ChatGPT to generate video scripts. Use ElevenLabs for AI voiceovers. Use Pictory or Runway ML to create videos with stock footage and AI editing. Upload to YouTube and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Earnings potential. Channels in finance, business, or tech can make $10 to $30 per 1,000 views. If a video gets 100K views per month, that's $1,000 to $3,000 per video. With multiple videos, you can hit $10,000 plus per month. Pro tip: target high. CPM niches like AI, business, and finance to maximize ad revenue. AI can now write high-quality articles, making blogging easier than ever. How it works. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate blog posts. Publish content on your blog or Medium. Monetize through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Earnings potential. A blog with 50,000 monthly visitors can earn $3,000 to $10,000 per month from ads and affiliates. Pro tip: focus on SEO optimization using tools like Surfer SEO to rank higher on Google. Brands and influencers need engaging content, but AI can create it for them. How it works. Use Canva's AI tools to design posts and captions. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI for captions and engagement. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Twitter X. Earnings potential. Charge $500 to $2,000 per client for managing their social media. With just 5 clients, you can make $10,000 per month. Pro tip: automate scheduling with Buffer or Hootsuite to manage multiple clients effortlessly. Businesses need AI chatbots to improve customer service, and you can set them up for them. How it works. Use chatbot platforms like ManyChat or BotPress. Set up a chatbot for a business to handle customer inquiries 24/7. Offer chatbot services on Freelancer or Upwork. Earnings potential. Charge $500 to $5,000 per chatbot setup. With just 2 to 3 clients per month, you can easily hit $10,000 per month. Pro tip: target e-commerce and local businesses that need automated support. AI voiceover services are in high demand for YouTube videos, audiobooks, and advertisements. How it works. Use ElevenLabs or Play.ht for AI voiceovers. Offer voiceover services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Voices.com. Create and sell AI-generated audiobooks on Audible or Gumroad. Earnings potential. Charge $50 to $200 per voiceover gig. One audiobook can make $5,000 plus in royalties over time. Pro tip: offer different AI voices for different projects to attract more clients. Which of these AI side hustles excites you the most? Comment below. Want my free list of 50 AI tools for making money? Grab it in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching Celine Automates. See you in the next video.